Where are you? Okay. Charlie! I missed it. You asked, I missed it.
I'm not right here, dude.
Now I'm ready to eat some soup. Yeah.
You're on your iPad.
That's what's up, nigga.
You just need some piece of tape right there.
Hey, Charlie!
Listen. For real, it's an actual good idea.
So okay, what's up? So what's this?
Go ahead, ignore the ignorances.
You're on your iPod. You see Battleship, brand new game.
Satellite attack.
Sound like R2D2 in Star Wars.
Satellite attack. You're gonna have to go through this every time. Remember, if you got this job, you're gonna have to work for it.
Cigarette now, shut up.
You're gonna have to go through this all the time. These people you gotta convince. You gotta convince them of an idea, okay? Charlie's got an iPad and an iPhone both.
I don't have anything.
So he should be very interested
I don't
in
have shit.
this game. This game that maybe
Yeah,
will
I
change
should
his
figure
life. You know, Charlie, you're walking them down the street, you're wearing the 3D glasses, they come out, and all of a sudden, BAM! Your fucking city blows up. BAM!
Like that?
Right, okay.
Alright, let's stop yelling.
So she'll explain to you. It's
You're on your iPad. You buy like Battleship. You're somewhere playing with your friend. Say you went to Colorado for your ranch. You're playing with Ian Battleship. You don't know where he is. So you hit Largo, and he has these glasses on. He's playing on his fucking game.
Battleship and Largo?
And Largo fucking blows up. Or Seminole blows up because he's right next to it. And he sees everything just blow up.
Is this realistic or is this... Why would you do this?
You're playing Battleship.
But you're actually...
Dude, I'm hungry.
No.
A noodle soup is not enough.
Fuck it. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck that...
But you can play Global.
It's a great idea. I don't even know what it is, though. What, you blew up Tokyo?
Yeah.
You're